Lesson the proposal.
The proposal.
What we studied in the last class?
Proposal.
The last name. The proposal name. Sorry, proposal lesson. Who written? Who was the author of proposal? அதோட தெரியல.
Anton Chekhov.
Anton Chekhov, a Russian dramatist. Open the video, everyone. Open the video. Open the video and show your textbook. Krishna Priya. Then who else? Abhishalini. Only 2 students is in my class, Krishna Priya and Abhishalini. Janani also. Open the video, everyone. 91 students are there. 91 should open the video. Tikesh Kumar, Abhishalini, Krishna Priya. Janani, I don't want to see your faces. Show your textbook. Manisha, Sangamitra, Abhishalini, Kanish Raja, Kirti. Close the video of your face and show the textbook, Kirti. Praniga, Manisha. Then Nikhil Sarvesh. எப்ப வந்து மாஷ கிளாஸுக்குள்ளாரே Nikhil Sarvesh, Dani Shorlin, Sri Ridish, Jayashree G, Sandosh K.
கேட்டியாங்கிட்ட
Bharani, Arun Divagar. Arun Divagar எங்க போயிருந்தேப்பா 10 லேட்டா வந்ததோட பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே எங்க கூப்பிடும். Kanish Krishna, Manisha, Bharani, Imbattamil. Okay, fine. Then see children, the proposal lesson already we completed the introduction part. It is about the actual name of the lesson is original title is The Marriage Proposal. It is a one-act play written by Russian story writer and the dramatist Anton Chekhov. The play, what is this play is about? The play is about the tendency of wealthy families to seek alliance with other wealthy families. Who are the characters? Say about the characters. Who are the characters? Name of the character? Stephen Stefanovich Chikubov. Natalia and
Lemov.
Ivan Vasnovich Lemov. So we can say Natalia, Lemov, Stephen Chubukov. Name, so it is little bit different. So why Lemov come to Chubukov house? What's the reason? Sepa, why he came to Chubukov's house?
For marriage proposal.
Because to
marriage. To propose. Very good. To propose his daughter for his marriage. To propose his daughter, that is enough. Lemov came in a decent formal dress. So Chubukov surprised and asked about his appearance. Then only he revealed the truth about his visit. What was the truth? He wants to marry Chukukov's daughter named who? What is the name of the cute girl?
Natalia.
Natalia. See, already the author told to us that what is the real nature of these 3 characters? What kind of a people are they? Do you remember that one? I told you people to underline. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
They often quarrel.
They often quarrelsome people. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் சண்டை பிடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கும். So that kind of people are these Natalia, Lemov, and Chubukov. So basically, they are quarrelsome people. Then first, Lemos revealed his intention behind the visit to Chubukov. He was very much happy to hear that one. Then he told he will ask the consent of his daughter. Why? Because he wants to know whether she is in love or not. So Lemo at first why he wants to marry Natalia, that is given in that paragraph, last paragraph of page 145. Take the page number 145. Last conversation, Lemo. It's cold. I am trembling all over, just as if I had gotten an examination before me. The great thing is, I must have my mind made up. If I go myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for real love, then I will never get married. So what happened? He's telling that, okay, I am like a little boy who is going to face an examination. He become very afraid and tensed. The great thing is I must have my mind made up. So first thing what I want to do, I have to make my mind. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or real love, then I will never get married. Suppose if I want to marry a pure girl or a sincere girl, those who are not loved anyone so far, I might be stand without marriage. So his own opinion is that it is get such kind of a lady in his life. It's called Natalia Stefanova is an excellent keeper. But in the case of Natalia, it is different. If the marriage between Lemo and Natalia happens, Natalia felt it was an okay one because Natalia is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, a fair girl, well educated. Thinking she is well educated, a good looking girl, and more or less he is a good housekeeper. So what else I want? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement. But what is my situation now? To because of excitement, I am getting a noise in my ear. Drums, and it's impossible for me not to marry. In the first phase, I am already in the first place. I am already 35, a critical age, so to speak. Then what he is thinking, it's a correct time for him to marry because already he is in 35, a critical age. 35 is a late marriage. Okay, yeah. He is feeling like that. So to speak, in the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations because he is telling that first thing he is very late.
Ma'am, you are in mute, ma'am.
Okay. First thing, he is very late to marry because he is already 35 years old. Second one thing, what is the second problem? He is facing palpitations. What do you mean by palpitations, children?
Ma'am, due to excitement, some nervousness.
Due to excitement?
Nervousness.
Ma'am, we would get stressed, ma'am, by that time.
Not like that. Due to excitement, over excitement, he was very anxious about everything. Due to this over excitement, the heartbeats will increase. We also feel sometimes like that, no? So that is what is known as palpitations. What do you mean by palpitation? Increase in the
Increasing
heartbeat.
of heartbeat in very excitement.
Heartbeats.
Very
It's a It's a kind of a mental disorder. Okay, over excitement. Even in the 35 years, he is getting over excitement, and because of this over excitement, he has palpitations. I'm excitable and always getting awfully upset. At this very moment, my lips are trembling, and there's a twitch in my right eyebrow. But the very worst of all, the way I sleep. I no longer get to a bird and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull and I can feel it in my shoulder and hurt. I jump up like a lunatic, walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I began to get off to sleep, there's another pull and this may happen 20 times. So he is not a normal man. He is already two things he is told to us. First, he has 35 years old. Next, he has palpitations. And the third one, what he said to us is very strange about his way of sleeping. He is telling to us that his sleep is not a normal one like other people. What will happen while he was going for a sleep? See, I no longer get into the bed. Worst of all, this way I sleep. I know I sooner get into bed and began to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull. What will happen? Suddenly he is going to bed. He will get a pull from his left side and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. So he felt it is to his shoulder and head. I jump up like a lunatic. Then suddenly he wake up from the bed like a lunatic. What do you mean by lunatic?
Crazy person.
Very good. Crazy person or mad person. Lunatic walk about a bit. Then he will walk a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I began to get off to sleep, there's another pull. அப்போ சும்மா தூக்கம் தூங்குறதுக்கு விட மாட்டேன் போடி என்ன பண்ணும் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஒரு புல் வரும் அப்படி எத்தனை வாட்டி வந்துடும் அந்த புல்லு 20 times. தள்ளுன மாதிரி 20 times வந்துடும். Then who comes inside while he was thinking about his physical condition? Who comes inside the room? Natalia Stefanova comes in. Natalia, well, there is it you and Papa said, go, there is a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasnovich? Okay, Natalia, she came inside the room and by seeing Lemo, she's surprised. Oh, it's you. And Papa said, Papa means, what is the meaning of Papa? Papa is a daddy. Okay, the same word for daddy or appa is Papa. Go, there is a merchant come for his goods. Oh, appa சொல்லியாச்சு என்ன அப்பா சொல்லியிருந்தேன் you go there was a merchant he come for his goods அப்படி சொல்லிவிட்டேன். How do you do, Ivan Vesnovich? Lemo, how do you do? Honored Natalia Stefanova. They both are wishing each other. Natalia, you must excuse my apparent negligence. We are shelling peas for drying. Haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They sit themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Then Natalia, she is not in that much good dress. While she was doing some household work there, she is in an apron. Apron, Anna. We will use in the kitchen and all one cloth be top of our normal dress. No, she also has the same one there with her. We are shelling peas for drying. What she was doing there? We are taking peas from the shell for drying. And haven't you been here such a long time? நிறைய நாளா இருக்குல்ல இங்கே வந்துட்டு Sit down. Want to have some lunch? We will ask, no? ஏதாவது குடிக்கிறதுக்கு வேணுமா அல்ல சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு வேணா எடுத்துட்டு வரட்டே அப்படி we will say no. Same way she asked, won't you have some lunch? Lamo, no thank you. I have already some. I ate nicely. Nadalia. Then smoke. Then what do you want? Do you smoke? Here are the matches. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was so wet. With the workman didn't do anything all day. How much have you stacked? Just to think, I felt greedy and had a wall field cut, and now I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid of my hay may rot. I ought to have waited a bit, but what is why you are in evening dress? Well, I know what. Are you going to a ball or what? Though I must say you look better. Tell me, where are you got up like that? Why are you got up like that? So she is in a normal conversation. First she asked about lunch. Then he doesn't want lunch. Then she offered smoke because it's a European country. Climate is too cold there, so she offered smoking. But that also he didn't want. The weather is splendid now. Today weather is good, but yesterday it was so wet that the workman didn't do anything all day. Yesterday it was very wet climate. That means winter season. Our workman they didn't do anything. Hmm? How much hay have you stacked? Just to think. How much hay? Hay now. H-A-Y hay. வைக்கோல் வைக்கோல்னா தெரியுமா? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hay, hay. What is hay? Thistle, Vaikol. Vaikol is hay. So she's asked how much you have stacked. Stacked means dried and rolled up for storing. Why we are using hay? Hay எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணோம்?
Cattle feed.
Very good. To feed the cattle. To feed the cattle. Then my children they know very well. Oppose. So she asked how much you stacked. Just to think, I felt greedy and had a whole field cut. My case is different. By seeing the sunshine, I cut all my field. But it is now I am afraid in that because of this wet climate, all my clay will be rot. R-O-T. Rot mean rotted.
Decay, ma'am.
To decay. I ought to have waited a bit. But what is this? Okay, I have to wait a little bit or wait for a 1 week. But I didn't do that. Then why you are in a normal? Not normal. Why you are in a formal dressing? She asked. Why haven't you been? Why are in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to ball or what? What do you mean by ball, children? B-A-L-L? Are you going for ball? A big party. Where we heard the word ball?
The necklace.
Ma'am, the necklace.
Okay, ball we heard in the necklace lesson also. Then she is asking him whether he was going for a ball or something else. Though I must say you sorry, I must say you are better. Now you are very smart to see. Tell me, why are you got up like that? Why are you coming in this kind of dress? Remo excited. You see on it's Natalia Stefanova. The fact is I have made up my mind to ask you to hear from me out. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry, but it's awfully cold. He wants to propose her, but because of the excitement and tension, he cannot do that. And he himself is telling to her that maybe you will be very happy or you will be very angry. I do not know how you will feel. I do not know, but anyhow, I will say one thing: it's awfully cold. Natalia, what's the matter? Well, say, what is the matter? What happened? Lemo, I shall try to brief. You must know, Onet Natalia Stefanova, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, had a privilege of knowing your family.
You are in mute, ma'am.
Why is Sriridhi singing the song?
Ma'am, I'm not singing
Then
the
you
song,
sing.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm saying that you are in mute, ma'am. Ma'am, really, ma'am, you are in mute, ma'am. That's why I unmute myself and said that you are in mute, ma'am.
I know, I only muted myself because rain started here. I muted. Okay. Okay, see,
Sorry.
It is, sorry, Lemo, he is not in a position to say it openly that he loves Natalia. Some of us have that much, that shame is there, no? We have a lot of love towards a girl or boy in our heart, but we cannot express. Isn't children?
Yes, ma'am.
So the same happened to Lemo also. I shall try to be brief. I shall try to be brief. You must know on it, Natalia Stefanova, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, the privilege of knowing your family. I know your family from my childhood. Okay, I know your family from my childhood. My late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect of your father and your late mother. Then what he is telling? Late aunt. What do you mean by late aunt and late mother? Late nange.
Ma'am died.
Late.
Ma'am no longer alive.
No longer alive, died. இப்போ உனக்கு நல்லா புரியும் எனக்கு இதே மாதிரி வசதி எல்லாம் வந்தது யார்கிட்டேன்னு എൻ്റെ இறந்து போய் ആൻറ്റിയുടെ ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து எனக்கு இன்ஹெரிட்டடாக கிடைச்சு அப்படிதான் ഞാൻ வந்து இவ்வளோ வெல்த்தியாகி இருக்குது அதெல்லாம் வந்து உனக்கு உண்ட அப்பாவுக்கும் உனக்கும் உண்ட இறந்து போய் அம்மாவுக்கும் எல்லாம் நல்லா தெரியும். The Lemos and Chukubos, that means their families. Lemos means Lemovos family. Chubukos means Chubukos family. Okay. Lemos and Chubukos, as always, are the most friendly, and I might almost say the most affectionate regard of each other. So he's telling that is so long, so many years. In today's or yesterday's, it is not the today's or yesterday's relationship. We have such a kind of family relationship from so many years back. We are very affectionate. அதான் எப்படி சொல்லுது உண்ட ஃபேமிலியும் எந்த ஃபேமிலியும் நல்லா affectionate ஆன புரியுதா and regard of each other. And as you know, my land is is a near neighbor of yours. Not only my house, even my property, it is also your neighboring property only. Your property, near to your property only, my land also there. You will remember that my oxen meadows touch your birch woods. So உனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் and oxen meadows, it's a name of a property. It's full of grassland. Meadows means grassland. Okay. Oxen meadows. Actually it is the name of a property or a place. இப்போ oxen meadows word meaning എടുത്ത് பார்ത്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താ പുരിയും? മാടുക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്ന പുല്ല് നിൽക്കുന്ന ഇടം. And that is, he is telling that it is his property. And touch your birch woods. Mean the birch woods. It's a kind of a tree. It is very common in Europe. So he is telling that your properties, birchwood properties, mean the birch woods நிற்குது அந்த இடவும் என்னுடைய இடவும் வந்து பக்கம் பக்கம் தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப நம்ம வீடு மட்டுமல்ல நம்ம ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் வந்து பக்கம் பக்கமா இருக்கு. See, my land is near neighbor of yours, and you will remember that my oxen meadows touch your birch woods. Natalia. Excuse my interrupting you. You say my oxen meadows. But are they yours? In between, Natalia talked. Okay, sir, excuse me, sir, 1 minute. உங்கள் வந்து உங்களுடைய oxen meadows சொல்லுது. அது நிஜமாவே உங்களுடையதா? She's asked. My oxen meadows, but are they yours? அது உங்களுடையதா? Lemo. Yes, mine. Natalia. What are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. Then Natalia, she got a point. என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கு? என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்கா? அதெல்லாம் வந்து oxen meadows எங்களோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. அது எப்படி உங்களோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஆகும்? What are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. Lemo. No, mine. Ornate Natalia Stefano. உங்களுக்கு என்ன பற்றியது? நீங்கள் தப்பா வச்சிருக்க. சாரி, நீ தப்பா யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்க நட்டாலியா. Well, I never know that before. How do you make it out? Okay, I know that. Lemo. How? I'm speaking of oxen meadows, which are words in between birch woods and the burn marsh. I'm telling my property. How do I say that it is how I got that one? அது ஏற்கனவே எனக்கிட்ட இருக்கிற ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. அப்போ அது எங்க இருக்கு? அந்த birch woods னும் burn marsh னும் இடையில இருக்குன்னு தான் என் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. Natalia, yes, they are ours. Oh yes, same property. I know. That is ours. Lemo. No, you are mistaken. Ornate Natalia Stepanova, they are mine. Again, Lemo. No. You are mistaken. It's mine, Natalia. Just think, Ivan Veslovich, how long have they been yours? Just நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாரு, அது எவ்வளவு காலமா உங்ககிட்ட இருக்குது. Just think, Ivan Veslovich, how long have they been yours? Lemo. How long? As long as I can remember. Hey, என்ன பேச்சு? What you are telling? How long? Not long and all. எனக்கு என்னதிலிருந்து மெமரி இருக்கு அந்த டைம்ல இருந்து இது வந்து எந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. Lemo. How long? As long as I can remember. Natalia. Really? You won't get me to believe that. Yeah, அப்படியா? I cannot believe because it is our property. Say this idiot man Lemo whether he came here for discussing about the property.
No, ma'am.
Then why he came here?
Propose Natalia for marriage.
Marriage proposal.
To marriage proposal. But whether he proposed to her?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
He already informed the same thing to her father. But now in this scene, whether father is in between, whether father is there with them? Whether father is there with them?
No, ma'am.
No. So already the author told it us that they have very quarrelsome nature. Here all the chances of breaking of a quarrel. First quarrel is about to start. Already we got one clue. Maybe about what they are going to fight. Say children about what they are going to fight.
Oxen meadows.
Property Oxen Meadows. First fight will happen about the Oxen Meadows. How the fight is going to happen? Because Natalia told, Lemo told that it belongs to his family, but Natalia defended that it's not belong to his family, but it belong to her family. Got it, children? We will stop today there. Put a tick mark there. Who is ready to read? If I call you people for reading, you are not ready to read, then better you yourself raise your hand. I will call that person. Who raised the hand? Raise your hand. Who is ready to read? Raise your hand. Nobody raised. Then I will call. Sri Radish raised. Okay. Sri Radish, read pa.
Ma'am, from the beginning, ma'am.
From the beginning.
Yes, ma'am. The proposal, Anton Chekhov. A Russian wedding. Do you know anything about a Russian marriage ceremony? Read this article about the Russian wedding. Preparations for a Russian wedding. A Russian wedding is very simple. The planning only includes arranging for rings, bride's dress, cards, and reception. Earlier, the bride's family paid for the reception, but nowadays, brides and the groom's families usually share expenses. Russian wedding lasts for 2 days. Some weddings last as long as a week, and the occasion becomes sometimes to remember for years. The necessary part of the wedding ceremony is a wedding procession of several cars. The best friend of the groom or bride meet before the wedding a few times, make postures, write speeches, and organize contests. When the groom arrives to fetch the bride for the registration, he has to fight to get her. Russians usually live in apartments in tall buildings, and the groom has to climb several stairs to reach his bride. But at each landing, he must answer a question to be allowed to go up. The bride's friend asks difficult questions, sometimes ask the bride, sometimes just the difficult riddle. And the groom must answer with the help of his friends. For example, he may be shown a few photos of baby girls and he must say which one his bride is. If he guesses wrong, he must pay cash to move ahead. After the marriage registration, the newly married couple leaves the guests for a for a tour of the city sights. After 2 or 3 hours of the city's tours, the couple arrives at the reception. The couple site the couple sits at a specially arranged table with their family, friends, and invited guests. The reception starts with toasts to the couple. A wedding toast is a custom where a close friend or relative of the groom or the bride say a few words to wish the couple. Then everyone raises their glass of wine and drink it up at the same moment. The groom is then asked to kiss the bride. After a, after a few toasts, people start eating and drinking and generally have fun. After some time, the bride gets stolen. She disappears, and when the groom starts looking for her, he is asked to pay a fee. Usually, it is his friend who steals the bride. Then there are the bride's friend. They steal the bride's shoe. The groom must pay money for the shoe too. The guests enjoy watching these results and continue partying. The Ma'am, should I need to continue the second activity, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The proposal. originally titled A Marriage Proposal, is one act. This is the one act play forced by the Russian short story writer and dramatist Anton Chekhov. It was written in 1888 1889. The play is about the tendency of wealthy families to seek ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates by encouraging marriages that make good economic sense. Ivan Lemov, a long-time wealthy neighbor of Stephen Chubukov, also wealthy, comes to seek the hand of Chubukov's 25 years old daughter Natalia, and all three are quarrelsome people and they quarrel over petty issues. The proposal is in danger of being forgotten amidst all this quarreling. But economic good sense ensures that the proposal is made after all, although the quarreling perhaps continues. Ma'am, should I need to read the characters, ma'am?
No need.
A drawing room in Chubukov's house. Lamau enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov's rising to meet him. Chubuko, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilievich. Vasilievich, I'm extremely glad. Now this is surprising. Surprise, my darling. How are you, Lamo? Thank you. And how may you be getting on, Chubuko? We just get along somehow, my angel. That's to you, prayer and so on. Sit down, please. Do. Now you know you should not forget all about your neighbors. My darling, my dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves, and so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? Lamo. No, I came only to see you. Honored Stephen Honored Stepanovich. Then why are you in evening dress, my precious? As if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit. Remove. Well, you see, it's like this. I have come to you, Honor Stephen Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice. I already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak. I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water. Honor Stephen Stepanovich. Subuko. He is come to borrow money. Shan't give him any. What is it, my beauty? See, Honor Stepanovich, I beg pardon, Stephen Honorovich. I mean, I am awfully excited as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me. Though I don't deserve it, of course, and haven't any right to count on your assistance. Oh, don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out. Well, one moment, this very moment. Fact is, I have come hard
Srivadesh,
from
he's going to
the night.
finish. You want to join other class now, 4 o'clock, so you can leave the meeting, children. Those who are not completed the test paper, complete it immediately. Already link is available there. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.